In this video we are going to see wall wrapping in Revit. After placing the door, we want the finishing came like this here, but you see it is not coming here. Here, as you can see here, the the finishing, the plaster and the insulation come across like this here as well. So how to do in Revit? Let's see. Select the wall, edit type, go to edit, or before that make duplicate and edit. Here sometimes we see this our checkbox not work. Now it is working just because of we have to put the structure in between the core boundaries. If we make it up, you see the wrapping options gone. So we have to make sure that it is structural layer should be in between the core boundary layer. After that it will work like that. So we have here thermal layer, and after that we have here finishing layer. If we want the wall wrapping at the door and the windows, so we have to make it here at insert exterior or interior. Just we want now exterior. We are doing this as per door placing or window placing. Make it okay. Now you can see we have door here and the wall wrapping is here. No wall wrapping here because we didn't select that. If we want wall wrapping also outside, so we have to select again edit. This time we will not make duplicate because we already did it, and now we came here wrapping at ends. Here we have none, just make it exterior. So exterior here, so it will work both direction, here and here as well. Okay, let's see what's another options here. Just to make it interior. Let's see what is this and make it none. No work because we our layer is outside only, no inside here. If we have the layer inside interior also, then this layer will go upside. Just to make sure it, we will add, we will make another layer, insert, down, insert, down. This one copy, this one copy, paste, copy, apply. Okay, now you see our option is working here. Now the wall wrapping started from inside. Like this we can do here as well. So friends, this is the way we can make wall wrapping in Revit. Hope you guys enjoy and learned. Please subscribe and like the video.